It's Jo Davison here, and I'm on a train on my way to a practice visit today, so you may see people walking past or hear things over the tannoy. But I thought I would share with you today some of the strategies I'm going to be sharing with the business owners that I'm going to work with. So I am going up to start to take their coaching of their team members to the next level. So what does that mean? They have lots of people working in their practice. They have chiropractors, they have chiropractic assistants, they have massage therapists, they have a practice manager, and then of course they have the owners. And they really kind of want to bring the team together to improve their customer service, the chiropractic experience, and just take it to the next level. So we want to end up with a team of passionate, a team of passionate chiropractic advocates in their practice, and that really are well informed, well educated, and really well coached. So the new rules that are going to be put in place today, it's my job to do it, is to tell the entire team that they all have to attend the weekly coaching sessions. It doesn't matter whether they're working at the practice for one shift or whether they're working for 20 shifts or more, they all have to attend. It's going to take place every week. It's going to be an hour and a half every week, set at the same time. Today is Thursday and it's going to be from 1 till 2:30, and it's going to take place in the centre. So what we're going to be covering? Well, on week one, we're going to be having the whole team together, and we're going to be doing some housekeeping. We're going to be talking about marketing strategies, anything coming up in the next month, so that everybody really feels they have a voice in what's going on in the practice and everybody's fully informed. At the first monthly session, we're also going to be checking our visibility wall planner, as I say, to make sure everyone knows about that, and just updating any new things that are being implemented, any sort of things that the team need to know. At the first monthly meet, we're also going to be voting Team Member of the Month, and this is really important. It's a great way of celebrating and recognising the team. And so what will happen is every month the team will write down the person they want to win's name and their why, and it's important that the why really resonates, and it's not just, oh, I'm voting Doris because she has a nice smile. Literally we'll chuck those ones out. It has to be, I'm voting Doris because she went the extra mile, it was raining the other day and she walked Mrs. Jones to her car with an umbrella, that kind of stuff. Then we're going to introduce, they will win £30 worth of book vouchers. That's what they're going to be winning. Although, of course, that's just what the owners have chosen because this team are very into personal development, so they can go and buy their books. You can pick whatever you like. You don't have to spend a fortune. The next week will be where we come together, a little bit of housekeeping, and then the groups are going to split up. So the CAs are going to go and have CA training, the DCs are going to go and discuss cases, technique, patient management, those kind of things, and the MTs will do the same. So everyone will divide up. And really that's great because that's then about coaching mastery. It's about taking the recipes you have in your practice and really mastering them. The third week we'll come together, a bit of housekeeping, and then we're going to be doing clinical cases. We want every team member to be a passionate advocate for chiropractic, and therefore it's really important they know what we do as chiropractors, that they're not just seeing that goes on behind closed doors. So we talk through cases, we show them x-rays, we talk about tests, we get them to test each other's reflexes, all that kind of stuff. So they're really passionate about what it is we do. And also it's really important we discuss scenarios. If someone rings up and says, hey, can chiropractic help this? Or, oh, I'm feeling this way, that the team will really know how to handle that in the best possible way. And then for the fourth week, we're going to come together, we're going to have some housekeeping again, and then we're going to divide up again so that the individual groups have coaching relevant to their particular role in the practice. For Steve and I, when we introduced this type of coaching, it really took our team to the next level. We banished the word staff and basically turned into a team of world-class advocates for what we're doing in our practice and for chiropractic. So I really am looking forward to going and implementing that in this practice today. And I hope it will inspire you to get rid of the S word. Don't use the word staff, because staff are a group of people who turn up to kind of wait out their shift. You pay them at the end of the month, but really it doesn't mean they're passionate about your project. However, team really are people who come together. They want to really move towards a common goal and achieve great things together. So anyway, I'm looking forward to my day. Hope you have a great one, and I'll see you soon.